Everyone, myself Professor Suryamshi Satish Vishwasrao. I have been working at Ganbas Opanram Music Junior College from last 20 years as a math teacher. I welcome you all in math learning session. Now, today we will learn the exercise number 5. So, in this exercise number 5 contains two examples. One is find the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the lines represented by the following equation. And there is one theorem, theorem number 2, the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. Now solve one by one. Now let us consider question number 1, solution. Given equation is 5x square minus 8xy plus 3 times y square is equals to 0. So now solve this equation and find their separate equations of two lines by factorization. So here coefficient of x square is 5, coefficient of y square is 3, whose product is 15. Now choose such a number whose product is 15 but sum is minus 8. So 5x square minus 5 times xy minus 3 times xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. So therefore 5x into bracket x minus y, 3y into bracket x minus y is equal to 0. So here x minus y is 5x minus 3y is equal to 0. So x minus y is equals to 0 or 5x minus 3y is equals to 0 are the separate equation of lines. Equation of lines. Now find slope of these lines. So now slope of line. Slope of line x minus y is equals to 0 is minus 1 upon minus 1 is equals to 1. Now slope of this line. Slope of line 5x minus 3y is equal to 0 is minus 5 upon minus 3 is equals to 5 upon 3. But required lines perpendicular to the given lines x minus y is equals to 0 and 3x minus 5x minus 3y is equals to 0. Now find slope of required lines. So therefore slopes of required lines are minus 1 and minus 3 by 5 respectively. Now find their equations. The required equations of lines passing through the origin, having slopes minus 1 and minus 3 by 5 respectively are. So by using point slope form, So what is point slope form? So y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So find their equations. here y minus 0 is minus 1 into x minus 0 and y minus 0 is minus 3 upon 5 x minus 0. So therefore y is equals to minus x and 5 times y is equal to minus 3x. So therefore x plus y is equals to 0 and 3x plus 5y is equal to 0. So these are the two separate equations of required lines passing through the origin having the slopes minus 1 and minus 3 by 4. Now find their combined equation. Therefore the required joint equation of lines passing through the origin with slopes minus 1 and minus 3 by 5 each. So what is the equation here? So x plus y into 3x plus 5y is equal to 0. Now open the bracket. So it is 3x square plus 5 times xy plus 3 times xy plus 5 times y square is equal to 0 is 3x square plus 8 times xy plus 5y square is equal to 0 is the required equation, joint equation of two lines. Now consider second theorem. So now take this theorem. The combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin is a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. So now first draw this figure here. So suppose this is the x axis, is the y axis, is your x axis. So now this is the origin. Now to draw these lines, these two lines pass through the origin. Here a1x plus b1y is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y is equals to 0. So these are the two equations of line passing through the origin. So now let a1x plus b1y is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y is equals to 0 be any two lines passing through the origin, passing through the origin. Now their combined equation is, what is the combined equation here? So a1x plus b1y dot a2x plus b2y is equal to 0. Now open the bracket. So multiply by this. So here a1 a2 x square plus multiply this a1 b2 x a1 b2 xy plus b1 a2 xy plus b1 b2 y square which is equals to 0. So therefore a1 a2 x square plus take xy common. So here a1 b2 plus b1 a2 xy plus b1 b2 y square is equal to 0. So now in this we put a1 a2 is equals to say a. Now put a1 b2 plus b1 a2 is equals to 2 times h, and b1 b2 is equals to b here. So now substitute here. So we get ax square plus 2 times hxy plus by square is equals to 0 is the required homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y. In this way prove here. So thank you.